Hi everyone and welcome to our very first video in this exciting new series. I am thrilled that you are here with me today. If you are looking to level up your web development skills and discover how to build modern web apps that feel as smooth as native mobile apps, you are in the right place. In this series, we are going to take a deep dive into progressive web apps, or PWAs for short, and learn how to supercharge them using GitHub Actions for automated testing and deployment. Now, I know that might sound a bit intimidating at first, but trust me, by the end of this series, you will have a clear step-by-step roadmap to transform your projects and save a ton of time on your workflows. Let's start with a quick overview of what you can expect in the coming videos. We will begin by setting up our development environment and build a simple responsive web app from scratch. Then we will walk through converting that web app into a fully functional PWA by adding a manifest file and a service worker for offline capabilities. It's going to be a hands-on project-based journey, so you will be coding along with me every step of the way. And the fun doesn't stop there. Once we have our PWA up and running, we will shift to the GitHub Actions, where I will show you how to automate tasks like linting, testing, and even deploying your app automatically. This means fewer manual steps for you and more streamlined, reliable workflow for your project. I believe that learning should be fun and accessible, and I promise to keep things as clear and engaging as possible, so whether you are a seasoned developer looking to try something new, or you are just starting out and want to see how modern web development works, there's something in this series for you. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty details in the next video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover later, I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and let's get started on this journey to build smarter, faster web apps together. See you in the next video.